Literally go. So here you go. What's your guard? Well, come on, Kaylin, push. Okay, you got silent. No, Kaylin, walk it off. Walk it off, Kaylin. Kaylin, dog away. Here you go. Walk up here. Yeah, go. That other arm makes your feel like you get tried. That arm, everything weird that you have that little shit. Then I got it. Yeah, that other arm that's probably the next shit. That's like what? You get a triangle, you can't go on my mind. So this is like a high jump. You get this. So that. You found you go back and forth higher. You know, speak with your heart. Yeah, you have the end of the now. Keep going. That a girl. Why are you making him? He doesn't get lost. Get up now.